Good morning, everyone. We have just arrived in the Chelsea area. We're going to the Chelsea Flower Show. I'm so excited. I really wanted to go last year. This time last year I was only like 1 month deep into caring about gardens.
Yeah, and now you're about what, 10 years?
And now about 10 years, yeah. My love of flowers works like dog years. So I'm absolutely buzzing, I'm so excited. On the rare occasion, I brought my big camera because whenever I come to anything like this, I'm always like, oh, I wish I had my big camera. I brought it with me today. So hopefully I'll get you guys some lovely shots and I'll show you some of my favorite things, and let's just go and have a glorious, glorious day. It's 25 degrees, sunny, perfect garden weather, if you ask me. Was the flowers from the farm show garden. So if you don't know Georgie Newbury, you should follow her on YouTube, Common Farm Flowers. She is just like a hug in human form. She's like the most comforting watch ever, and she is a small scale flower farmer. She is the external chair of something called Flowers from the Farm. Look into it, they're doing great things. They had a show garden and I was really excited to see it, and we stumbled across a beautiful, beautiful show garden and I was like, oh my god, this is stunning. And I had a sneaky suspicion that it was the Flowers from the Farm show garden, and I was right. I could tell before even looking at the plaque that it was a Georgie Newbury influenced garden, and it was amazing, and it was my favourite thing that I'd seen before I even knew it was Georgie's. Shout out to Georgie Newbury because she is a queen. It was beautiful, like very, very stunning. We've just stopped for some fizzy wine. We've now done the whole pavilion and now we're going to go and look at some of the outdoor gardens and continue our adventure, maybe get some cake. Rob is nodding and smiling.
Nodding and smiling, yes. Cake has been at the forefront of our thoughts for the last 4 hours.
And last night I asked specifically,
actually, yes.
In bed, I was like, can we get cake?
We can get cake.
There's always time for cake. My first experience at Chelsea Flower Show. It's quite windy. First experience at Chelsea Flower Show has been a success. Apart from my hair choice, because my little tendrils are driving me insane. I should have, when I went to Ray, I eyelash glued them to my eyebrows so they stayed. I should have done that today, I don't think. Rookie.
Do you think they would notice if I stole it? The first dahlias of the year. This is my dream. Bank holiday weekend. There's a crumb on my lens. It is bank holiday weekend, so we're going straight from Hampton Court. Nope, we're going straight from Chelsea to go Clapham to see our friends, sit in the park and have some tins. Happy bank holiday weekend. We've got a booked and busy weekend, haven't we? Best day ever.
Go like this a bit, Rob. Like lift it up a little bit.
I'll like grab it with his paws. It's so funny. Oh my god. This is the content we needed today. You're so cute. Oh my.
You are adorable. You're a little bastard. You're so cute.
Oh my goodness, you've gone so big.
How much can we stretch?
Oh, they'll keep on going. What a long boy.
It was so long.
Longest of boys.
I'll tickle your belly. I'll tickle it.
You two kind of match.
Yeah, you do.
Did you dress up as each other?
I hope I'm tickling your belly and not your penis right now.
Oh my god, dead.
You're so good.
Most cats don't bite the tube to try to get more out.
He literally bites it and then it starts coming out of the extra holes.
It's too slow the other way. Oh my god, his greed is sickening.
No.
His greed
It's like,
is
I'm not letting go.
It's sickening, Mom.
Hi. He's like he's looking right at the camera while he does it. It's a little bit. I don't know how I feel right now.
I was gonna say.
He's
I'm in love
adorable.
with you. Look at your little ears. Look how fluffy they are.
Sweater. I feel like it's so warm, but
I
Adorable.
don't feel like you're gonna need that, Kate.
Hey, gorgeous.
just in case for later.
Really? I'm gonna miss you though.
Great.
You are. Oh, holding hands. Oh, I'm glad I brought my camera just for this moment.
Made
the what's it man.
No, he said I'll acquire. Dude, that's
it.
and people say Monster Munch are better. You can't do that with Monster Munch.
Cannot do that.
Do you
with
guys
Monster
like
Munch.
Monster Munch?
Sometimes.
You know,
Just the kids playing. I love the Alex Will dynamic. They're so cute. They're obsessed with each other.
you're aiming for number 9.
Number 9, where's that?
Top left.
Oh!
That was really good.
Okay, now we need the 10 with the other darts.
You might as well use the other darts.
Hang on.
I'm not taking that out ever. Look at that right there, baby.
Double 9.
Yeah!
How'd you feel about being better than Luke Littner?
I literally feel great. That was such a fluke. What am I doing now?
Hitting 10, hitting 10. 10's on the right hand side below the 6. And that's the wall. One more, in the 10.
Okay. I told you it was a fluke.
It's good. It's good work.
Thanks.
Have you swapped hands? You threw the others right-handed.
Did I?
Yeah.
Then that doesn't.
Rein that back in. Why have you swapped hands?
I thought I was doing it with my right.
No, you're holding your wine with your left.
Oh, maybe I need the wine.
Right. Okay, 19. 19.
Okay. We're still going for 19.
Mm-hmm.
Does this count?
You can leave, but you're not going to be able to throw it.
Yeah, one more dart. One more dart.
Come on.
Come
Do it
on.
without the lead. Do it without the lead, but you get it.
Oh!
Great. It's great. dude.
Great grouping.
Can I try again just for fun? I want to get it.
It's all for fun. I haven't got any medals or anything.
3 more. Hit the 19.
You bitch. Oh.
That's a great throw. Oh. Last one, adjust. No, you adjusted too much. Oh!
We should get a dance board. I'd really like that.
Haven't been in as
That
well.
was 19. It's 20. I don't know what we're aiming for.
Yeah, what are you going
What
for?
are you aiming for? For the wall.
Yeah, that was. Yeah. So I want to put all three in the same set.
It's a good throw.
I'm sure it's fine.
Couldn't be practicing.
No. It's amazing.
We're doing 3 darts each, blind throw. No, you go first. Winner goes first.
I get my arms.
Okay, and I what?
I must doesn't trust you, Ben, clearly.
3 darts each, eyes closed. Whoever wins, wins. In the last one, Ben got 48, I got 47.
Yeah,
Rob
but he didn't have the
got-
eye mask, so maybe he was cheating.
What did you get?
I got it.
I got 42.
42, and you got
18.
18. $20.
Left the door open here.
What did you get?
0.
You're 0.
Big fat 0.
Could it be?
Yeah.
Nice.
23.
Highest so far.
23.
23.
No win.
So far.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I
it's now
haven't.
covered in makeup after one wear.
Oh.
Hold up. Am I way off?
A little bit to the right.
Go a bit left.
bit more.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
way. Not helpful. winner.
We got lettuce. We got kale. It looks a bit sad because it's been watered.
It's been, and also it's so hot.
So have you met our potato?
Where's your potato? Are you shitting it?
No. No, we're not. So have we
Oh,
told
this
you
is the
this-
old
This
potato.
is the potato got thrown in the bin and we felt bad for it.
It'd be good.
It looks
So I was cleaning out the veg drawer and I said, Ben, can you hold this potato? And he threw it in the bin. And I was like, have you got the potato? And he's like, no, I threw it in the bin. And then we couldn't eat with it, so we decided to keep it. And
You
now
should plant it.
it's a good 1.5 years old.
Chilies to come.
Yes. We have got a failure to thrive on the kale as well, which
Yeah.
is sad.
And lovely mint. Wait, the good thing about this is you don't get slugs.
Yes.
You like
Big
try and get a
time.
slug up here, 20 however many
I'd be
stories
impressed.
up.
Honestly, if a slug gets up here, I can have it.
Yeah. We are going to lunch with Liam and Paige. I am excited. We're trying an Italian restaurant that we've not been to before. It is 32 degrees. It is hot. It is hot, and you know it's hot when I'm wearing a dress. I've told myself I'm going to the gym afterwards, but we will find out if that comes to fruition. I would like to, but it is.
It's either the gym or an happy sprint.
God damn it! What an impossible decision.
32 degrees in the gym today.
Seems a bit insane, doesn't it?
Seems foolish.
Foolish. Well, let's go see what the day brings. I'm thinking maybe an happy.